Hey, what's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where we dive deep into the hottest rides, the boldest innovations, and the future of automotive excellence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Ford F-Series, a truck that continues to dominate the market while reinventing itself for the modern era. For decades, the F-Series has been America's best-selling truck, and with this new generation, Ford proves it's not slowing down anytime soon. From power and performance to advanced technology and refined comfort, the 2026 F-Series is more than just a workhorse, it's a glimpse into the future of trucks. The design of the 2026 F-Series is both bold and forward-thinking. The exterior is rugged yet sleek, with sharper lines and an aerodynamic silhouette that enhances performance while maintaining the tough Ford DNA we've all come to love. The massive new grille makes a powerful statement up front, paired with slim LED matrix headlights that provide crystal-clear visibility in all conditions. Active air shutters and lightweight body panels not only improve fuel efficiency but also give the truck a modern, aggressive look. Whether you see it on a job site or cruising down the highway, there's no mistaking the new F-Series, it's built to command attention. Under the hood, Ford has given customers a wide range of options. Traditionalists will still find joy in the updated V8 engine, delivering raw power and reliability, but Ford is also leading the charge toward electrification. The 2026 F-Series comes in both hybrid and all-electric versions, giving drivers more choice than ever before. The hybrid setup offers an impressive balance of efficiency and strength, while the fully electric F-Series is nothing short of revolutionary. With instant torque, silent acceleration, and an incredible towing capacity, the electric model proves that going green doesn't mean sacrificing muscle. Ford has truly managed to bring the future into the present with these innovative powertrains. Inside the cabin, the F-Series continues to evolve into a luxurious and tech-packed space. Climb inside and you'll immediately notice premium materials, advanced comfort features, and a redesigned dashboard with a massive central touchscreen powered by Ford's latest sync system. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to keep track of everything from navigation to towing data. The truck even doubles as a mobile office, offering multiple charging ports, onboard Wi-Fi, and Ford's Pro Power onboard system that lets you run tools or camping equipment directly from the truck itself. Long drives or tough jobs are made easier with ventilated seats, enhanced noise insulation, and extra rear passenger space. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 F-Series. It comes loaded with driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. Imagine cruising on the highway with your truck practically driving itself while you remain relaxed and safe. The bed of the truck has also been reimagined with smart features like built-in scales to measure your load, new tie-down systems, and tailgate enhancements that double as a workstation. Ford has clearly thought of everything to make sure this truck adapts to your lifestyle. Durability has always been a cornerstone of the F-Series legacy, and the 2026 model is no exception. With high-strength aluminum alloys, a reinforced steel frame, and improved suspension systems, it's built to withstand the harshest environments. Ford has tested this truck in extreme conditions to guarantee that it meets the demands of hard-working drivers who expect nothing less than excellence. In summary, the 2026 Ford F-Series is not just another truck, it's a revolution in design, performance, and technology. It blends tradition with innovation, offering the perfect balance of raw strength and futuristic features. Whether you're after the classic V8, the efficiency of a hybrid, or the groundbreaking electric version, the F-Series lineup has something for everyone. So what do you think of the all-new Ford F-Series 2026? Does it live up to the legacy while paving the way for the future of trucks? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Ford's newest powerhouse, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.